Welcome, dear friends. Welcome back to our channel Home Decor by Mahanur. We are explore in the studio more beautiful and latest trends and innovations in home decor. In today's video, we will dive into the exciting world of small bedroom interior design, uncovering the top trends for 2024 and offering valuable insights into creating stylish and functional spaces. If you are struggling to make the most of your small bedroom, fear not, we have got you covered with the plethora of the small bedroom design ideas to help you maximize every inch of space. From clever layout solutions to innovative storage hacks, you will learn how to transform your small bedroom into a compact bedroom into a cozy retreat that oozes style and sophistication with different design ideas and different you can say interior trends which are mostly used in 2024. You are watching these trends which are most beautiful and are now uh, these trends and these interior designs are using most of our most videos. Join us, we embark on small bedroom makeover journey, showcasing real life examples of stunning and transformations that defy size constraints. Discover how strategic furniture placement to thoughtful color choices and creative decor essence can completely revamp the look and feel of your small bedroom, making it feel larger and more inviting with or even before. Organization is a key when it comes to small bedroom design, and we will share our top tips for keeping clutter at bay and maintaining a tidy and organized space. Learn how to leverage every nook and cranny for storage, from under bed storage solutions to wall mounted shelves and multifunctional furniture for pieces. But wait, there's more. We will also explore small bedroom decorating ideas that add personality and charm to your space without overwhelming it. For statement wall art to cozy textile and botanical essence, you will discover how to infuse your small bedroom with character and style. Looking to optimize your small bedroom layout, we have got you covered with expert advice on arranging furniture to maximize flow and functionality. Whether you are dealing with an awkwardly shaped room or limited square footage, our small bedroom layout tips will help you make the most of your space. Storage is often a challenge in small bedrooms, but fear not, we will share ingenious storage solutions that will revolutionize the way you organize your belongings. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to serene and clutter-free environment that promotes relaxation and rejuvenation. And of course, no small bedroom makeover is complete without considering the right furniture. We explore small bedroom furniture ideas that strike the perfect balance between style and functionality. And you are watching the most beautiful design ideas and premiere with the free offering. If you need more help, you can email us on our email in the description, offering and comfort practicality without overwhelming the space. Ready to elevate your small bedroom design game? Tune in.